Gardyn Sprout Nursery Review, the honest and complete guide. Introduction. The Gardyn Sprout Nursery is a revolutionary hydroponic system designed for indoor gardening. It is ideal for both beginners and experienced gardeners, offering an accessible and efficient way to grow plants indoors. This system requires minimal effort for plant care and maintenance, making it easy to use while delivering excellent results. Additionally, the Gardyn Sprout Nursery places a strong emphasis on sustainability and convenience, making it an eco-friendly and user-friendly solution for indoor gardening. What is Gardyn Sprout Nursery? Advanced indoor hydroponic growing system. Supports herbs, vegetables, and flowers. Soil-free system with a nutrient-rich water solution. Compact design for small spaces and urban environments. Popular for health-conscious and eco-conscious users. Pros and cons. Pros. Space-efficient design, perfect for small or urban living spaces. Water conservation, uses less water than traditional gardening. Soil-free system, reduces risk of soil-borne diseases. Flexibility in plant selection, grow herbs, vegetables, or flowers. Long-term value, sustainable with reduced environmental impact. Cons. Initial setup costs, higher upfront investment. Maintenance, reliance on technical components may be challenging for some. How does Gardyn Sprout Nursery work? Water reservoir, circulates water and nutrients to the plants. Automated nutrient delivery, consistently supplies nutrients for optimal growth. LED lighting, mimics natural sunlight for photosynthesis. Environmental controls, manages temperature, humidity, and airflow. Mobile app integration, monitor and adjust conditions remotely. Setting up your Gardyn Sprout Nursery. Choosing the location, place near a well-lit area with access to a power outlet. Assembling the system, simple, user-friendly assembly process. Connecting to power, low-voltage, energy-efficient design. Filling the water reservoir, add nutrient solution for plant growth. Planting seeds or seedlings, use provided growing pods for easy setup. Maintenance and care tips. Regular monitoring, check water levels, nutrients, and plant health via the app. Cleaning and inspection, ensure the system components are free of debris. Care tips, prune, harvest, and adjust growing conditions as needed. Optimal conditions, maintain proper temperature, humidity, and lighting. Longevity, proper care extends the life and productivity of your plants. Gardyn Sprout Nursery cost and value. Initial investment, costs are offset by long-term savings. Water savings, hydroponic system reduces water consumption. Reduced pesticide use, controlled environment minimizes pest risks. Year-round produce, grow fresh herbs and vegetables at home anytime. Healthier lifestyle, access to homegrown, nutritious produce. Conclusion. The Gardyn Sprout Nursery integrates advanced technology with sustainable gardening, making it an ideal choice for both beginners and experienced gardeners. Its user-friendly design is easy to operate, while its space-saving and eco-friendly features are particularly suited for urban environments. Additionally, the system offers long-term value through cost-effective and sustainable food production, making it a worthwhile investment for those seeking to grow their own herbs, vegetables, and more in a modern and environmentally conscious way. Thank you so much for supporting our YouTube channel. We truly appreciate you taking the time to watch our videos and engage with our content. Whether you're new to gardening or an experienced enthusiast, we hope our videos help inspire and guide you in your gardening journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights, tips, and updates. Your support means the world to us, and we look forward to growing together. Thanks again, and see you in the next video.